didn't, I said, what time is it, Kevin?
Got 2 cameras?
Yeah, so you can see.
2 screens?
Two cameras, 8 cameras. The blogger flogger. Ah, so I know what I'm looking at. Yeah, these boogers.
Yeah. You should like pick. I mean, yeah, that's.
Here's the bay. Engine comes out. Engine goes in. Oh, don't look under my skirt. Why not, baby? It's got a lot of power. The new garage. Looking good right here. I'm gonna set this touchscreen monitor up on that big boy. But right now, it's time to get to work. Alright, so we got our bags. We got little bags. We got bigger bags. We got littler than the bigger bags. We got a smaller than the little bigger bag.
Large, medium.
Yeah, we got one that we can do stuff with. So we got
one we can do stuff with.
Yeah. We got paper bags for some reason. Cause there ain't no way unless it's paper way. Safe but not secure.
Yeah, this is kind of interesting, though, you know. Parents like this, it goes like into your fender and into
your little baby filter. Got that little baby filter. Alright. Put it down. A little less scary.
A little less, a little more.
A little bit more, a little bit more. What?
SF intake.
Short flow.
Oh yeah. I know that SRI is short ram intake.
Sounds good, doesn't it? Short flow? They know, I don't.
A long flow.
I want a long. Long. See, I'm long flow. See, I'm long flow.
All 2 of them. It is a little more low flow. Smells like fresh air.
6 saucy butter kittens. Need water. Water.
Wow, that's all. Well, plastic. Remember, I told you what those are? High numbers, leak. Low numbers, not enough air, or not enough fuel.
And the cool is off now, guys. And the cool is off now. Don't hate me.
Yeah, we're bringing back hookah, by the way, because that's the cool thing.
Yeah, you gotta bring back hookah.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me show them what we got going on over here.
Trying to figure out life for people.
There we go. Something like that.
Dual.
There we go.
Holder of.
Yeah, baby. We gotta bring it back, man.
That tangerine dream dough.
Ooh, got that
we got
Starbucks.
that Queen of Sex though. That's not dark.
Queen of Sex.
That's not dark.
Hell yeah, brother.
Who was saying that the other, was it Alan or someone?
A little bit what we got going on, yep. Yes, sir. A little drainy painty. Just getting the last little drops out of that. Cap it back up. And then get on the good old... Yeah. Get a little drip.
A lot coming out, is there?
Well, I don't have it. I'm just letting it.
Oh, okay. I was like, that's might be when I split a rod and it got too hot. Don't open the cap.
Yeah, you probably could do that. Hey, where'd you go? There we go. Yeah, she's just drooping. Just droop-a-looping.
Let that chill for a minute and we start removing all these coolant lines.
Yeah.
Which we'll take, obviously, a picture of.
So we'll let this drain out for a little bit here. Once it starts slowing down, then I'll come back on and take her on off. I like my wrap job though. It's freaking saucy, buddy.
Yeah, it looks pretty
Freaking
cool.
sauce. Yeet! Don't need that shit.
Radiator removal.
Chop this bad boy.
Dude, the stabilizers are really nice on this.
What's that?
The stabilizers on there?
Yeah.
Holy crap. Look at that big piece of hunkhead plastic.
There we go.
Look at those dual fans. Twin fans, extra horsepower.
You call me the dual fan man.
Boy. And look at all that room. That's what I'm talking about.
There we go.
Exhaust. Look at that.
Oh, it's still fall up in this bitch. Alright, so we got exhaust offer. Don't mind the booty. The exhaust down. Ugh. Welcome to the party. Got the exhaust off there. Got AOS separated. Power steering pump yeeted. Finishing steps. So pull the baby. Gotta get this air hose off right here. And then obviously we gotta take out pin that locks the trans in. And this bad boy. And she should be good to yeet. The claw.
Alright, ready? Make sure that socket stays on. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you're good.
Gucci bandana.
It's all because of the claw.
Gucci bandana.
The claw. First. Is that 14? No. Twist.
Okay, yeah, hand me that extension.
What? Kind of sexy.
Sexy.
So
So push your side in a little bit.
Mine?
Yeah, push like that.
Oh, hey! There we go.
There it is.
Oh, fuck.
Yes. Hold on, we gotta make sure
What do
we
you guys do? Private?
drop here.
Alright, hold on.
Got one thing on the
Let
left,
me-
slow a little bit.
You wanna... Okay, there's that's it. So it's a pitchfork or...
Pitchfork? That's the fucking pitchfork.
What did they call it? Tuning... Or what the fuck is that called? Clutchfork.
Pitchfork, what the fuck ever. Alright, so we go.
Okay.
Fucking
The input shaft.
There it
There
is.
goes the pitchfork.
There go that pitchfork.
The input shaft looks fine.
Smile. Give it
That's an engine voice.
That's a fucking engine noise. Holy crank it to the moon.
It's still leaking cool.
Huh?
You doing the clutch on this?
Let's shove a fucking towel on that bad boy.
I got one towel down there, but
No, I thought you were gonna hand me one. Here, let me see one. Shove it in the fucking thing.
oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Clip it. Hold on, my hair is fucked. Alright.
Your hair. Nah. Okay.
So yeah, angles.
That is a grimy ass release bearing. Yeah, it is. Holy shit. I mean, you're replacing. Ew. Ew. Yeah, your release bearing is disgusting.
That's what I just pulled off.
Yeah. Literally. Okay.
Yeah, you're clear.
You're good. You're clear.
Wish I could. Put
Should I
it-
land her there?
Wish I could put it over here, but there's a car in the way.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at that, can it?
Fucking fugazi, boys.
Disgusting. How many miles does this have? This is original clutch, right? Oh, jeez.
God damn it. Oh. So we didn't do too much damage here actually. We'll deck it anyway. We'll deck it. Sheesh. First scubader boobiter poobiter. Hell yeah, boys.
You know what?
Champagne cheers to that.
Look at that.